PiNetwork has made a remarkable impact on the cryptocurrency landscape, climbing to the 6th position on the World Coin Index rankings. This milestone underscores its growing popularity and the increasing interest from the global crypto community. While its rise has been impressive, the project's long-term success will depend on several key factors, including adoption, technological advancements, and market acceptance. One of PiNetwork's biggest strengths lies in its massive and dedicated community. With millions of users actively mining through its mobile app, the project has built a strong foundation of support. Unlike many other cryptocurrencies that rely heavily on institutional backing, PiNetwork thrives on grassroots adoption. Enthusiastic pioneers regularly promote the project across social media platforms, participate in discussions, and contribute to the ecosystem's growth. This high level of engagement not only strengthens the network, but also enhances its potential for mass adoption. The loyalty and commitment of the Pi community could play a decisive role in the project's ability to gain mainstream acceptance. PiNetwork leverages the Stellar Consensus Protocol, which is significantly more energy efficient than the traditional proof-of-work mechanism used by Bitcoin. Unlike conventional mining, which requires expensive hardware and vast amounts of electricity, Pi's model allows anyone with a smartphone to participate in the network. This approach makes PiNetwork more accessible and inclusive, enabling millions of users worldwide to engage in cryptocurrency mining without the barriers associated with high entry costs. Additionally, the lower energy consumption aligns with growing global concerns over sustainability, giving Pi an advantage as the industry shifts towards greener technologies. The true test of any cryptocurrency lies in its real-world utility. PiNetwork has been actively working on expanding its ecosystem by developing applications that allow users to transact using PiCoin. Initiatives such as digital wallets, online marketplaces, and decentralized applications are expected to drive practical adoption. If PiNetwork succeeds in integrating its token into everyday financial transactions, it could cement its place within the decentralized finance ecosystem. Businesses and merchants embracing Pi as a payment option would further validate its credibility and increase its value in the long run. Despite its rapid rise, PiNetwork faces several challenges that could determine its future trajectory. One of the primary concerns is the regulatory landscape surrounding PiNetwork. Governments and financial authorities worldwide are increasingly scrutinizing digital assets, implementing stricter regulations to curb potential risks, such as money laundering and fraud. PiNetwork must navigate these challenges carefully to ensure compliance while maintaining its decentralized vision. While PiNetwork has gained significant traction, one of its biggest hurdles remains its absence from major cryptocurrency exchanges. Unlike established coins such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Binance Coin, Pi is not yet tradable on global trading platforms. Until it secures listings on major exchanges, its liquidity and accessibility for investors will remain limited. PiNetwork is entering a highly competitive market dominated by well-established cryptocurrencies with years of proven stability and adoption. Bitcoin and Ethereum, for instance, have widespread recognition and strong institutional backing. To compete effectively, PiNetwork must continuously innovate and demonstrate its unique value proposition. Despite the challenges, PiNetwork's trajectory remains promising. If the project continues to expand its utility, improve its technology, and secure regulatory approvals, it could see further growth and adoption. Some industry analysts speculate that with continued development, Pi could eventually surpass some of its competitors in the top 10 ranking. A crucial turning point for PiNetwork will be its open Mainnet launch, which could pave the way for broader adoption and real-world use cases. Additionally, securing exchange listings and forming strategic partnerships with businesses and payment platforms will be essential in solidifying its market position. PiNetwork's rapid ascent to the 6th position on the WorldCoin Index highlights its growing influence in the cryptocurrency sector. With a strong community, an accessible mining model, and ongoing ecosystem development, holds significant promise. However, its future success will largely depend on overcoming regulatory challenges, securing market liquidity, and proving its real-world utility. Whether PiNetwork will become a dominant player in the crypto industry or remain a speculative project is yet to be seen. One thing is certain, its growing presence is a testament to the increasing interest in decentralized and community-driven financial solutions.